And passionflower itself, again, is a supportive herb. And the interesting part is that it contains alkaloids called harmine alkaloids, and these are the same alkaloids that are in the ayahuasca vine, Banisteriopsis. However, this is a much lower dose. So the parts that are used are the shoots, the young shoots here, which tend to have a higher content of the alkaloids. So anyway, when you harvest these and you dry them and you tincture them, or maybe even simmer them, because the alkaloids are fairly stable, you could actually simmer and make a powder, like a little bit of an extract along with California poppy, skullcap, and other herbs for calming and anti-anxiety. But it's always thought that passion flower is more for sleeping and calming when your mind is really racing, when you're having a nervous breakdown, or whether you're thinking too much, or you're imagining too much, and you're frightened about what might happen in the future, and you're fantasizing, that type of thing. Well, it's obvious that because it has the same active components as ayahuasca vine, as the Banisteriopsis, that makes sense, because at a low dose, it's almost homeopathic. At high dose, you're going to really open you up. You're going to have all these feelings and experiences, and I've been through it several times, and it's pretty astounding. But at a lower dose, it can do the opposite, or maybe calm you down, and especially when your mind is fantasizing too much, it kind of brings it back down. So that's how herbalists typically frame it. And again, you can make a tincture or a tea, or however you want to use it.